There are brilliant business ideas everywhere you look, especially if you have some sort of hobby or you know people in a specific hobby that could really benefit from whatever product it is you're trying to sell. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you a store that's doing $12 million in a niche that I've never considered selling anything in. And the great part about it is that it's actually a digital product store. So there's no fulfillment. Everything that they sell is digital, which is just incredible. So selling digital products on Shopify has become a great trend in the last few years, mainly because of the fact that you don't have to actually ship anything out. You can just enable digital downloads and people can basically just receive their order instantly without you having to do much. And the great thing about that as well is that once you build the product once, you can sell it forever. So without further ado, we're going to review this store and break it down. So the store I'm talking about is called Twig Plus Tail. And as you see, they sell sewing patterns. So sewing patterns and embroidery patterns for avid sewing and embroidery hobbyists. Now, as you see, they're heavily going after children's stuff too, which is smart. I mean, that's the cool thing about this, right? It's like you could sell patterns for all kinds of clothes in all age ranges and demographics. So even though this is a specific niche, right, you could get even more targeted. Let's say you do sewing patterns just for kids, right? I feel like a lot of grandmas would probably do that, or mothers. These are great niches to get into, especially, again, if you love this kind of stuff, right? I mean, you don't have to love this stuff to be able to create a business out of it, but how fun would it be to actually be able to create a business around your passion and build a community around it, which is actually what they're doing. So as you see, they are heavily trying to create a community through Facebook groups. This is something we talked about in our last video, and it's something I've been talking a lot about recently because I myself have a Discord group, right? So, we have the AKEMI Discord group where you can join and be a part of our community. And it's just a cool thing to do for your business, to create some sort of group where your customers, your audience can engage with one another. It really is powerful. And as you see, they have 40,000 members in here. So let's say they drop a new product or they do some sort of contest or giveaway. They have all these people that they can reach basically instantly that's a part of their community. That's so much more powerful than like an Instagram following. And a lot of people are not taking advantage of it right now. So that's definitely a great opportunity. And Facebook groups are great, just like Discord. Both of them work. Discord is a little more technical, so I would say this actually makes a ton of sense for this brand, right? People who are going to be into sewing and embroidery, chances are they're going to be more likely to be found on Facebook than Discord. But as you see, ZoomInfo is the one that's giving us our data here, 12.9 million in revenue. ZoomInfo is a $10+ billion software company, so I'm sure they're getting their data from somewhere that's accurate. At least I hope so. But let's take a look at the traffic distribution here because it's actually quite shocking how much they're starting to pop off. Surprisingly, in December, they didn't do as well. But now they're starting to get more and more traffic. So it seems like this is a hot season for this market. Again, I'm trying to apply a little bit of a sense of urgency to you, especially since for now, if you use the link in my descriptions, you can get a Shopify plan for $1 a month for 3 months. That's insane. So might as well capitalize on all the opportunity that's out there, especially in a niche like this. Now let's take a look at the children's collection because, like I said, I feel like children's could be a really good niche opportunity if you were to start in this business, like not trying to target everything, but let's say specifically children. Now, this is a bundle collection, which again is really smart. If you have a bunch of different products that make sense to go together, you could create a bundle out of them and have it be a higher average order value, right? And again, consider that $39. You're paying $39 for the patterns and the videos or whatever it is that they're selling. This is a very clean store, by the way. Shout out to whoever made this. If you're watching this video, I absolutely love what you guys are doing. But it says right here, digital pattern plus video class. And as you see, it's $39, but it doesn't cost them anything to fulfill it, right? Like the product cost is $0 or whatever it is it took to produce it, but you only have to spend that money once. So that's what's great about digital products. And this is an incredible digital product opportunity right here. And their landing page is actually really simple and beautiful. It's just a normal Shopify store with a little bit of a GIF here and then some tabs that just allow you to get more information on the products. Now, here's some room for opportunity for this brand. If somehow somebody from there is watching, they used to post YouTube videos a long time ago and then they stopped. But I feel like right now it would be an amazing time to start making YouTube videos about their patterns and also posting that content as short form content on TikTok, Instagram, and of course YouTube Shorts. Because on Instagram, they are doing a little bit of that and it's performing quite well, like 6,000 views, 9,000 views. Some of these videos do pretty good and they could easily repurpose this across their other social media pages and actually drive a lot of brand awareness and probably conversions. So that's what's great about nowadays is that you could really start a business with just an iPhone, an idea, a Shopify store, obviously, which is just $1 a month with the current offer that they have going on. And that's really about it. So don't overcomplicate it. If you have an idea, just get it out there and start it up. You never know what it could turn into. It's not a bad idea to start a side hustle right now and see where it could take you. So hopefully this inspired you in some way. I actually loved this store a lot. I've never even considered something like this. So anytime that I find something that I've never seen before, it's pretty exciting, right? It just kind of opens up my brain to more possibilities and opportunities out there, which I can hopefully translate to you and help a ton of people out. That's the goal. But with that said, check out all the links in the description, subscribe to the channel, and that's about it. See you in the next one. Peace.